Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Mandela Highway and we're going to give you an update on the Caymanas Special Economic Zone. Now, this Special Economic Zone is going to be 1,400 acres. So the land to the left of the highway, 1,200 acres will be used, and to the right of the highway, 200 acres will be used. I'm not sure how they're going to connect both sides, if they're going to use an overpass or a tunnel. We're not sure, but as we get those details, we'll let you know. So what is happening is, well, first of all, the government had a groundbreaking ceremony this week to start this project. This is a massive project in Jamaica. So Jamaica is trying to set up a logistics hub, a global logistics hub. So you have the Port of Kingston, which is to the left of this land, where they're expanding the port, going across Marcus Garvey Drive, incorporating Tinsapen Aerodrome, massive expansion because the containers will come into the ports. Now, another part of the global logistics project is setting up warehouses, manufacturing plants. That's where the Caymanas Special Economic Zone will come in. Now, this project is being run by the Port Authority of Jamaica because it's part of the logistics hub. But the Factories Corporation of Jamaica will be, I don't know if you would say, leasing land from the Port Authority. That arrangement has yet to be finalized. But the Factories Corporation of Jamaica will be building out warehouses within the Caymanas Special Economic Zone. So, it's a lot of land, and as you can see, the land is, this is the busiest road in Jamaica. Without a doubt, the busiest road in Jamaica. And the road is a very nice highway, but the areas around it are so underdeveloped. Look at the amount of, some call it trees, bush, non-developed land that you have. But we'll talk about that in another video. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on the Caymanas Special Economic Zone. And remember now, this project, the site proposed for the CSEZ is located along Mandela Highway in St. Catherine Parish, between Kingston and Spanish Town. The site is approximately 1,400 acres, or 566 hectares, and divided by Mandela Highway into a 200-acre north side and 1,200-acre south side. The CSEZ is located on lands that have historically operated as a sugar plantation since the 18th century. The land is wholly owned by the Urban Development Corporation and is included in its Caymanas Estates Development Plan. Light industry manufacturing will be on the north side and enterprise zone will be on the south side. The UDC has committed the 200 acres north side to Factories Corporation of Jamaica to develop as an economic zone though no transaction has yet taken place. Alright, so that gives more information on it. Alright, so we're going to go through another article now that gives more information on the global logistics and how everything fits into place. Jamaica's ambition to become a global logistics hub is a bold and strategic national vision aimed at transforming the country into the premier transshipment and value-added logistics center for the Western Hemisphere. Situated at the crossroads of major global trade routes between North America, South America, Europe, and Asia, Jamaica holds a unique geographical advantage. Leveraging this position, the government has launched a series of infrastructure, policy, and investment initiatives to establish Jamaica as a logistics powerhouse anchored by maritime, air, and inland logistics capabilities. Central to this vision is the Caymanas Special Economic Zone, which plays a key role in the inland industrial and commercial core of the logistics network. The Global Logistics Hub Initiative was first announced under the Portia Simpson Miller administration and aggressively expanded under Prime Minister Andrew Holness, is intended to make Jamaica a central node in global supply chains. Now, the sections of this plan would be the modernized port infrastructure, the expansion and privatization of the Port of Kingston, one of the deepest ports in the region to handle larger post-pandemic vessels. Another part of the logistics hub would be an air cargo and aerotropolis development. Plans to develop Vernon Field in Clarendon as a major air cargo and logistics hub. 3. Special economic zones. Design zones like the Caymanas Special Economic Zone to host warehousing, manufacturing, assembly, and logistics services. And the fourth part would be an integrated multimodal transport, a network of highways, rails, ports, and airports that allow seamless movement of goods across the island and into international markets. These pillars aim to diversify Jamaica's economy beyond tourism and raw material exports, generating high-value jobs and attracting foreign direct investment. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. The Caymanas Special Economic Zone, they broke ground on the project this week. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.